So we're making a smoothie this morning, you all. And I have my niece, she's the videographer over on that side. Alrighty, so here we go. Here's what's going in the smoothies. I have some blueberries. So it's really about a handful of blueberries. I know you guys like to measure stuff, but we just got a handful of blueberries right there. You see that, Olivia?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. A handful of blueberries right there. Then we're gonna do about a handful of almonds, the last almonds that I have. You see that, Olivia?
Yeah.
Handful of almonds, raw unsalted almonds is what we have, you all. Then I have, what are these, Olivia?
Blackberries.
Blackberries, yep, a handful of blackberries. We're gonna toss in the smoothie. And then there's probably about a handful of, well, what are these?
Raspberries.
Raspberries, about a handful of raspberries.
And the last one is vinegar.
And yep, apple cider vinegar. That's what we're putting in there. And we're gonna put about 2 cups full of apple cider vinegar. Toss it in there. And I bet you don't know what this is, Olivia. What's
sugar?
Nope, no sugar. We don't. Auntie don't put sugar in her smoothies. What is it? It is
flour.
Nope. You know how to say that word?
Shama grandma.
How you say it?
Shama grandma.
It's ashwagandha.
Ashwagandha.
Ashwagandha, you all. So we're going to put 1 scoop of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha. And then we're going to add about 2 cups of water. And if you're looking for it to have a little bit more of a sweet taste, you can put some shredded coconut. That's what I have right here, shredded coconut. So I'm going to put probably about a handful of as well, but it will give it just a slightly sweet taste. You don't need added sugar, right, Olivia?
Yep.
We don't really like it sweet, do we? Nope. We don't like it sweet. So that's what we have here, you guys. We have, what do we have, Olivia? Tell it, remind us.
So we have vinegar inside and coconut thingy and ashwagandha.
Yeah, ashwagandha. Yeah.
Ashwagandha and then raspberry and then blackberry and then almonds and then blueberries.
Yep, and water. Yeah, so that's what we have in here. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, apple cider vinegar, ashwagandha, 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha, and 2 cups of water. So we're gonna blend this baby up. And check out the color on this baby, Olivia. Do you like it?
It's kind of like a fuchsia, guys.
Kind of like fuchsia, she said. So we'll zap it one more quick moment. This for you, you're gonna have some. You're not excited about it. If you're looking for a good blender, you all, NutriBullet right here. Been using NutriBullet forever. So she wanted to know if it's for Chris or not.
Very fast.
Yeah, look at it. So we're gonna pour it.
Can you pour like a teeny tiny?
Yeah, I'll pour a teeny tiny bit for you.
Is that mine?
No, this will be yours right here. I'll give you just
That's
a teeny tiny bit. That's it. That's all you're gonna have. Alright. Cheers, Olivia.
Cheers.
It's an adult beverage. It's actually pretty good. You don't like it? It's an adult beverage, you all. She don't like it, but it's gonna be.
It's kind of good.
See?
It tastes like nothing though.
Yeah, there you go. It tastes like nothing. People think that it's because it's healthy that it's gonna taste, you know, bad, but it tastes like nothing. It's all natural. So here are the ingredients, you all. Again, we have blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, apple cider vinegar, ashwagandha, 2 cups of water, raw unsalted almonds, unsweetened shredded coconut, and did we miss anything, Olivia? And I think that's it. Until next time, you all, we have a healthy smoothie. Thanks to the videographer over there. Bye.